Souwest Magnetech, the core force in China's fine magnetic separation field. Since our establishment in 2003, we have built a solid manufacturing foundation, which has laid the cornerstone for global development. Here, nearly 200 industry experts gather their wisdom, with over 30 core R&D and technical professionals being the driving force behind our innovation. We focus deeply on magnetic technology applications, transforming cutting-edge insights into outstanding product capabilities. Our solutions comprehensively cover 6 core industries, with 37 sub-series and thousands of mature product specifications, serving over 50 countries and regions worldwide. With precise magnetic separation technology, we enable global manufacturing to improve quality and efficiency, collaborating with global industry leaders and aligning with their strategic vision is the best validation of our value. Our customer satisfaction, consistently above 98% for 5 consecutive years, places us at the forefront of the industry's repurchase rate. From manufacturing to intelligent manufacturing, from China to the world, Souwest Magnetech invites you to join us and, with magnetic power, co-create the future. As its wholly owned export subsidiary, MagSpring is committed to providing you with thoughtful service,